Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. How we all doing? How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Hold on one second. Let me get this posted on the Instagram and we are ready to rock and roll, baby. And then we're getting live on TikTok. It's going to be a good day. I'm feeling it. It's going to be a good day. Join me. Alrighty. Join the free live stream. Cool. Y'all ready to make a bag today or what? Yes, FOMC. Hold on, I'm gonna do my good morning to everybody here in 1 second. Alrighty. So, let's see. We got good morning, Brad, David, Eric, Aildmore, I think is how you say it. JJ Trades, Cato, Brian, Sonia, Jim, Kaz, AKHIL, Gerald, G, Cody, Kevin, Jason, Maria, Adrian, Cavi, Trader, Stefan, Mike, already said Brad, already said JJ, Jack. Awesome. Good morning, everybody. Let's run it up and let's get live on TikTok and then let's start rocking and rolling and make. Jeez. Let's make this watch list. All right. Live. I look like a disaster. I just woke up like 45 minutes ago. Or an hour ago, actually. Looking like a disaster in the morning, but that's okay. As long as you guys get this watch list, I'm fine with it. All right. Ooh. I guess that's good enough for everybody on TikTok, I guess. Go live. Boom. All right, let's just hop right into this watch list, everybody. So, yesterday ended up taking a few trades. The main one actually being on SPY with Savage. I did take some QQQ trades earlier in the day. Was able to get a scalp off and then got stopped out. Took another scalp, got stopped out. So pretty much was flat yesterday until the SPY trade that we ended up taking with Savage. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame, the reason I liked it was because we were forming like a 30-minute bull flag. So if we go to the 30-minute, here's our little 30-minute bull flag that I was talking about right here. Typically, we'll see 3 bars of consolidation, which ended up happening right here. And if we go to the 5-minute time frame, I ended up entering as price came back and got this nice candlestick right here. That's when I got long and was able to catch it into a new high a day. So that was the main trade from yesterday for me. Shout out Savage. He definitely made the day a lot better yesterday. Anyway, so hopping into the overall analysis for today. Again, we have FOMC today. Let's see what else we have. Hold on. Let's pull it up. 10 o'clock, we have new home sales. Investor confidence index. Looks like we have a bond auction and then our FOMC at 2. And then Jerome Powell at 2:30. So that's the main thing today is going to be that FOMC. So right away, starting off on the hourly time frame, we double topped at this 46.09 area. This high point right here. SPY actually gave a liquidity sweep above this high over here. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video on liquidity sweeps that I posted on my channel, definitely make sure you guys go ahead and watch that. But if I am going to be interested in a bounce, it is going to be more than likely this pivot low to pivot high. So 45.84.5 and 45.78.75. Then the only other one I like is here to here, so we can watch this as like an area. So between these 2 points right here could be our bounce. Take off VWAP. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning so far. Boom. But yeah, that's going to be my my bounce area. If I want to look for more uptrend, I want to see a base above 46.0925. If that ends up happening, then we definitely have a lot more upside that ES could push. Again, it's FOMC. My expectations are pretty low. So I guess we shall see. Hop on over to SPY. Already have these marked out, 454.32 all the way down to 454.10, then 453.75 to 453.46. You can see we got a liquidity sweep right here yesterday. Price wasn't able to hold above that high. Ended up failing, coming back down. So I would like to see price base above 456.75 for more upside, if we can get that. But other than that, no good bounces really until these two spots. Those are the only areas I like for a bounce today. Not seeing anything else. Maybe right here at this like 452. But we would need a pretty hard sell. 451.9, my bad. Good morning, Don. And again, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated as always. Let's see, NQ smacked that 61.8% retracement. Let's see, go ahead and delete that. Boom. So yeah, smacked the 61.8 yesterday. Looks like a little later in the session. We talked about that. Price ended up flushing to the downside. Not really seeing a good bounce right now. Let's go to the 4 hour. Main bounce is still going to be all the way down here at 15,445. So that's the main area I'm going to watch for a bounce. That's like the only area I'm going to watch for a bounce, actually. What's up, my man Brad? How you doing, bro? You got to text me soon. We got to link up. You got to come see the house. But yeah, NQ ended up rejecting off that 61.8. Going to look for a bounce down here. Take a look at QQQ. Of course, we had to have this massive misprint in the overnight session. But let's see. We have a nice 4 hour orange dot squeeze. I'm going to look for a bounce. This area right there. And then this area right here. There's only two areas I see. And then we have that cluster. What is that? 372.8. Cool. To get the bull next to your name, you got to be a channel member. It's not a Team Bull logo. It's just a bull in general. But yeah, I like this 372.8. If we get down there, after that 369.2, 367.6. Cool. All right. And for everybody who is here in the TikTok live, if you guys actually want to see my screen better, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I am live right now doing this live stream. So definitely make sure you guys come on over to the YouTube. All righty. So let's start with Apple. See what we're liking and what we're not liking. I personally still really like this Apple. If we're looking at this 4 hour time frame, it is holding that 4 hour 21 EMA. Does have a very nice 4 hour squeeze. You can see that it broke above this trend line yesterday. It's holding above it. Actually came back and retested it. So I would say if the market can get some strength today, I'd probably be interested in Apple above this 193.95 for a move back into yesterday's high and then the day's high before that at 195. So Apple might actually go into a list today, which is pretty rare for Apple. Airbnb, still not interested in. And again, for the ones in the YouTube live stream, remember, if you guys want this watch list today, we got to run it up to 225 likes. You guys know the drill. I know you guys can get there too. We do it every day. 225 likes if you guys want this. AMD pretty much double topped up there. Not interested in AMD. Skip over that. Amazon, no good bounces for the time being. Kind of just on a slow, steady downtrend. I was going to say, it kind of looks like it's bear flagging here on the 1 hour. So I would say if the market got weak, Amazon doesn't look too bad for a breakdown or a reject at 128. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that, Amazon. And let's see, we got Boeing. Massive earnings on Boeing. Let's see. We're going to find a level on Boeing, but I like that move. So let's put Boeing on the list. BABA, let's see, is it getting close to the fibs? Yeah, so I do really like BABA at 94 if it can get down there today. So we'll mark BABA 94.05 is my area. Coin, don't care about that. Costco, slowly grinding. Google. Nice little bull flag on Google. 122 to 132. Let's see. Broke that 70.7. Could be a potential trade here on Google. I would have preferred if it waited for the trend line break, but there's possibility. Take it back up to earnings high, and then if it breaks above there, it has more room. Again, right now we're just figuring out everything that we like, and then we'll do process of elimination, and then we'll narrow it down to the top stocks that I like. So we'll narrow it down to 3 to 4. Meta reports today, actually, I think. Hold on. Yeah, today after hours. So not going to do anything with Meta. Going to wait for that. Microsoft ended up dropping to the downside, so don't really care about that. Netflix, don't care about. NVDA had a nice push yesterday. Not really seeing anything I'm too interested in. Skip over NVIDIA. Let's see, Southwest Secret. Was it a day trade or a swing trade? Yeah, it's more than likely going to be a risk off for me until FOMC. It's kind of how I've been playing all week, is risk off. Shopify might be getting close to that bounce. Oh, and actually, it hit the 61.8 already, so yeah, I'd like to see it spike back above it. That's a possibility, though. If we spike back up above 64, 68 with a reclaim, I'd be interested. Let's see, shop. Snow has been in a massive daily squeeze. Not seeing anything I like. SPX 4600 is going to be the main area today. We get up there. $4,600. Boom. And then Tesla. Not really seeing anything here. Would have preferred if Tesla could hit that reject that we were watching yesterday. Unfortunately, it couldn't. So, nothing on Tesla. But as far as the individuals that I like, it's going to be Apple, Amazon, Boeing, BABA, Google, and Shopify. So, 6 of them. Again, we're going to narrow it down to the top 3 to 4. And then we will get this watch list cranking. How we doing over here on TikTok? Again, make sure you guys are tuning into the YouTube live stream where you can actually see the screen. YouTube is going to be branded trades. I think there's a little like comment thing that says the YouTube. So make sure you guys tap in. And again, here, hold on. 225 likes for the watch list. And then gotta figure out to pin it because that stupid little heart thing is blocking it. There's gotta be a way to move that. There we go. Boom. If you guys want that watch list, 225 likes. All right, let's head back on over to SPY. See what we got going on over here. Again, I like these areas the most for a bounce. QQQ, we can actually type that now. That misprint is awful. Hold on, original values. We're just gonna remove that bar. There we go. All right, that's better. So we got very close to that reject. NQ hit the reject, however, which was this high to that low right there. 61.8 was yesterday's high. High, low. 61.8, cool. And let's see, we have this low point right here. All right, so let's get this QQQ typed out. What are you talking about? All right. $372.8. Oh, whoops. Got to put the individuals that I like somewhere. Let's see. All right. We take this screenshot. All right, cool. QQQ main bounce is at 372.8. I mean, we could get down to 369.2 based off FOMC, but that's quite a drop. No, if you're not part of the team bull, you won't be able to access the Zoom calls. 372.8. Rejects at 381.16 and 382.77. All right, there's QQQ. How we doing over here on the TikTok? Everybody doing good? We take a look at UPST here in a little bit. We looked at BABA. That's more than likely going on the watch list today. Cool. Again, make sure you guys are tapping into the YouTube live stream. Brandon Trades live right now, showing my screen. But I do really like that QQQ if we can get down there. SPY, we might have to wait a little longer. Yeah, SPY's getting close to the bounce, so I'm gonna wait and see with that. Do want to see if there's any overnight setups on ES. Potentially one right there. Let's see. Then NQ as long. Oh, I might have already done it. I think it already did. Next area I would watch would be down there. That's for intro setups or intraday setups. So, all right, let's go to the individuals. Let's see. Apple, Amazon, Boeing, Baba, Google, Shop. Start with Apple. Again, I really like that 4-hour squeeze break a 194 for an uptrend potentially. Gonna have to wait a little longer to see with that one. Again, I like Amazon if the market gets weak. Boeing pretty much triple topped, or actually it did triple top at this 224 area. I would be interested in a pullback to potentially get long. So we're going to have to wait and see with that one. Boeing's a maybe. Baba, I think we're going to put Baba on the list for a bounce at 94. So I do really like that one. Baba. Like. Google. Breaking the bull flag, holding outside of it. Shopify. Again, gotta wait and see. Gotta wait and see. So I think the main one that I'm liking right now is this Baba. You want me to play the Mega Millions? Sure, I will. I will. All right, so let's say Baba bounce at 94 for calls. All right. Turn off the TikTok. Nobody's even in there. Alrighty. Baba looking for a bounce at 94 or falls. Cool. I have a question real quick. If I go take care of something for 2 minutes, will I return and everybody's still here? It's literally going to take 2 minutes. Everybody good with that? And just pull up a yes. You guys can stare at it. But we will complete this watch list. Give me a yes. Give me a no. Either way, I'll be back if you guys are still here. Give me a couple minutes. Hold on. Alrighty. I'm back. I'm back. Anyways, all right, so it's 8:30. Cool. Let's see. My man Daryl, what's up? Might have been 2 minutes. Maybe 3, I don't know. But let's see, what do we have so far? We have QQQ, Baba. Yes, that was marked. Yeah, like I said, it's definitely gonna be risk off for me today. Definitely. Until FOMC, of course. And that's when the fun starts. Apple. I mean, I'm pretty interested in that Apple. It looks really good to the upside. Yeah, I think we're gonna rock with Apple today, ladies and gentlemen. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Got 136 likes with 210 people in here. You guys know the drill. You want this watch list, you gotta run up them likes. I know you guys can do it. But I think we're gonna keep Amazon on the side. We're gonna be opening up 223.91. It's that spot where we triple topped. Only issue is there's not a good fib that we can use. It is nice. It is forming a nice little bull flag though on the 15. Maybe the 10 you can see it better. You saw it really good on the 5. See like the 10 or 5 minute. Probably gonna have to wait a little closer to market open. So Boeing like Baba's already on the list. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see. I do like this a lot. Just gonna have to wait a little closer to market open. I don't do. How do I prefer the day before FOMC or after? Always after. Typically, going into the FOMC announcement is when the market tends to be pretty slow. So, after we get the announcement and we get some volatility, that's when the fun should start. But I guess in the meantime, because right now we're kind of just waiting for these setups to either validate or invalidate. Anybody got trading questions? Anything you guys need help with? Yeah, I can take a look at UPST. UPST. Let's see. Nice little 1 hour. Honestly, this looks good for a bounce off of the 1 hour 21 EMA. There's a lot of really good setups today, I'll tell you that. Is there liquidity in these things? The spread's tight. Hold on. UPST. The 65 calls have the liquidity. Yeah, another Fortnite llama. But honestly, now it's 61.14. It doesn't look bad. 1 hour 21 EMA. And you're gonna make me throw another stock on my watch list. Thanks. But yeah, I'd be really interested in that 61.50 down to wherever that 1 hour 21 EMA ends up being. That looks really good for a potential push back into these highs. That might actually be my favorite setup today. If you want a higher risk trade, can watch it above the pre-market highs. I say we do it. What do you guys say? You guys say UPST, let's rip it. Rip it like a frog. Yes, I'm going to have a video on how to journal coming out very soon. Very soon. All right, I think UPST is going to be the one. Best time frames to trade. There's no best time frame. It's just whatever. It's just a time frame that you identify the setups that work for you. Sometimes there could be a 15-minute setup. Sometimes there could be a 5-minute setup. Sometimes there could be an hourly setup. For me personally, when I'm day trading, most of the time I'm using the 5-minute, 10-minute, and either the 1-minute or the 2-minute. 1 minute, 2 minute is for sniping entries. And then I like to use the 5-minute and 10-minute just to understand overall trend intraday. But 6150, I like that a lot. We're gonna roll with UPST. Yeah, I suggest getting TradeZella. I suggest it. Yes, I use Bookmap every single day. It was actually very helpful yesterday as well. Because I kept, like, we got into the QQQ position, but if you guys were in the Team Bull voice, you started hearing me say, okay, there's a lot of large sellers up here on ES and we're not able to clear it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and trim my position, lock in some profits on the QQQ calls that we had. And as I saw ES constantly testing that area with all the sell orders and not being able to break through it, that is when I said, okay, I'm getting out of this QQQ because it's not looking like we're going to break. Sure enough, market pulled back pretty hard after that. So, need some caffeine. UPST looking out at 61.5 / near the 1 hour 21 EMA. Boom, there's UPST. So I think it's going to be BABA, UPST, QQQ. I mean, not entirely in love with anything on SPY today, to be honest with you guys. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, I think maybe Google or Boeing, they both have nice bull flag setups. It's just there's no solid setup right now for me to post. And again, if you guys want this watch list, you need 225 likes. You guys need 55 more. 55 more likes for the watch list. I know you guys can do it. Let me make sure I didn't miss any questions. Yeah, you can get Bookmap on ThinkorSwim. I just trade SPY or QQQ during FOMC, personally. Personally, that is what I do. You guys rocking with the new content room? Can't wait to actually start using the camera and getting some fire videos for you guys. Apparently Coca-Cola reported today. Coca-Cola and AT&T. Let's see what they did. KO. Nice little spike up. T. Pretty much flat from the other day. As my baby Verizon, still flat as ever. I like it. Yeah, I have my stacked EMAs on the other screen. No, there's no tick roll set up today. We do have GDP tomorrow, I believe. Let's see. Yep, tomorrow's GDP. Then Friday, we got PCE. Still want to keep an eye on this AMC as well. Anyways, all right, let's head back on over to SPY. 127, 16, actually all of them, as long as they're valid. Could also be getting a little cup and handle here. Right there. Another possibility today. We're just gonna do this. Five, 4, 3, 2, 09. The way it doesn't look that messy. Boom. So 5, 4, 6. Cool. Alrighty. Here's the zones that we're watching. Top of the zone. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. SPY. And 453.76. 453.46. Higher probability. I'm not going to be posting the stream link in Team Bull anymore. I want to try not to be posting those links in there as much and try to keep it cleaner. So if you want to get notified when I am live on my YouTube, make sure to click that bell icon so you know. Again, every morning I'm live around 8 a.m. Eastern time. But I'm not going to be posting a link in there as much. It's going to be on you guys to hop on in here. Been posting a link every day for like a year and a half, 2 years maybe. So I know you guys can do it. Bell icons, all of you. You guys know how to do it, right? I think you just head on over to my channel and it should be like a little bell. You click on it and then you click like all or something like that. Take a look at UMP. How many more likes we need? We need 30 more likes. 30 more likes. I mean, there's nothing that we could do on UMP. That's a huge move. Firstly, no dice. No dice. I didn't get in trouble. What would I get in trouble for? I don't even promote my book in Team Bull. I just don't. Team Bull is for trading. If I wanted to promote my book, I would, but I don't like self-promoting in there. Let's see. Cool. We got the watch list done. QQQ, BABA, UPST, SPY. 20 more likes and you guys get this watch list posted in the chat. All right. And back on over to SPY while we wait for this. Yeah, you like them shoes too? I like never even wear them. They just sit there. Sit there and collect dust. Take a look at AMET. Again, I'm not really interested in any of the semis. Yeah, kind of just sitting here in consolidation between 133.86 and 146.70. So, nothing there from me personally. 10 more likes. And again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys click that bell icon as well so you get notified when I upload new videos and whenever I go live here on this YouTube channel. And in case you guys did not know, I also have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age Technical Analysis. So if you are looking to learn more about my overall day trading and swing trading strategy, how to find bounces, rejects, support and resistance, price targets, the indicators I use, specific day trading and swing trading setups I like to look for, and so much more, make sure to check out my first book, The New Age Technical Analysis. Book number 2 is on the way. It will be releasing, honestly, I expect it to be like late August now, just because the editor did not do a good job at all. So I'm going through and editing it. Always have these issues with editors where they don't actually edit it and try to take my money. So I have to go through and edit it. Life lesson there, if you want something done the right way, do it by yourself. But once that's done, then I got to give it to a line editor and then I put it on Amazon. Put it on Amazon. Anyways, here's the link right here. Get the book, 450 pages. The New Age of Technical Analysis. Get prepared for book number 2. Alrighty. Guys got the 225 likes. I like it. I like it. I like it. Is it really going to make me fix this bar every single time? Alrighty. Let me get this. Everything I am watching today. Let's see. At 2 p.m. EST, I will more than likely be risk off until the event. Trade safe. Trade smart, and let's get this money bag. Yes, the book has a lot of pictures. Lots and lots of pictures. Cool. Let's see what Grizzly's watching today. Amazon. SPY. Cool. Amazon. I think he's watching that 1 hour. What's he watching? 128.5. His is a little higher. I'd personally watch that 128. But alrighty, let's get you guys this watch list. So as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Yeah, I messed that one up. Do your own due diligence. I'm an editor. He's right. We don't do nothing. We just take $450 from USAA. We edited it. Don't worry, it's not as bad as the last time. Anyways. Cool. You guys ready to make some money? Hey, I appreciate that, Sam. I appreciate it. All right. Any questions before I hop off? Everybody good? Y'all ready to get this bag? Get this cheddar, get this moolah. Hopefully. But yeah, again, remember it's FOMC, typically price action going into FOMC. It's kind of, you know, so if anything, trade light and wait for FOMC. And if you're going to trade FOMC, be very cautious because FOMC can go a little crazy. And if you're not using proper risk management, that's probably like the main day I see people blow accounts is on FOMC day during the announcement. So yeah, be very, very cautious. But as always, I appreciate you guys. Let's continue to run it up. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. Tune in every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Let's get this money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes. But yeah, if not, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.